Alright, there's a video for 3VT about exercise 32. We have to generate the formula for the parabola in question A and B. First exercise A. The parabola intersects the x-axis in points A and B and also passes through point C. Now I made a sketch of this situation. The sketch is over here. The parabola passes through points A and B and they have an x-coordinate of 5 and 8. So I mean, if you take a look at this x, it doesn't make sense that the 5 is here, the 8 is there, but it doesn't matter because it's just a sketch. And here we have this point, 6.10, and the parabola passes through that point. Now one thing that you should know, otherwise you have no clue how this exercise works, is that if you know the x-intercept, you can already say that the formula will have those numbers in brackets. Here. This will be part of the formula, because if you work this out, if you say that this equals 0, right, that means that x minus 5 is 0, which means that x is 5, or x is 8. But it's this number here in front of it that we don't know, right? There might be a number here, might be 2 times that, or a half times that. And this number depends, depends on how quick the parabola goes up or down. It stretches this out. The bigger this number is, the higher the vertex will be. Now to figure out this number, we have to use that point. So the 10 we're going to fill in on the spot of the y, and the 6 we're going to fill in on the spot of the x. So 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 8. So here we have 10 equals a times, well this is 1, and this is minus 2. So minus 2a equals 10, so that means that a should be minus 5. And that makes sense, because if a is negative, then it will be a cap parabola, right? If a would be positive, it would be a cup parabola. So here a is minus 5, so that means our formula is minus 5 times x minus 5 times x minus 8. Now sometimes the question says that you have to write the formula in a different way. Sometimes the question says you have to work out the brackets, so the formula will be written in this way, for example. But this question doesn't say that, so we don't have to do that at all. So that's nice. I'm going to go to question B. With question B it says generate the formula for the parabola that has its vertex at point T and passes through point D. Alright, so here I made a sketch. This one doesn't look so nice, but okay. Here's the vertex. The coordinates of the vertex are minus 8.20, and here we have another point that's on the parabola that we have to use. This is the vertex, minus 8.20. Well, one thing that you also learned earlier that you should remember is that there was a way to write down a formula where you could just see the vertex, right? That was this way. The formula is written down like a times x minus p squared plus q. Then the vertex was p point q. Well, in this case we know the vertex, it's minus 8.20, so we have to fill in minus 8 over there and 20 over there. So we get a times x minus minus 8, so that's plus 8 squared, and then plus 20. So this would be part of our formula, and then we don't know what this a is. But we do have that point over there, so the 70 we're going to fill in over here, and the minus 3 we're going to fill in where the x is, and then plus 20. So first, minus 3 plus 8 is 5, so 5 squared times a plus 20 equals 70. So then I'm going to remove the 20 on both sides, so here we have 50. And I'm also going to work that out. That's 25 times a. So if you divide this by 25, you know that a is 2. So that means that our formula is 2 times x minus, not minus p, sorry about that. Let me write this whole thing again. 2 times x plus 8 squared, and then plus 20. So that's how this exercise works. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.